Hi, I'm Samantha Clayton.
I'm Sano,
And this is Beginner Dance 2. If you're not a dancer, that's okay, because neither am I. He's
And
the instructor, I'm learning.
very big pleasure for me. Okay,
Let's go.
let's go enjoy. March. We start with simple step. It's boost step. Okay, ready? And 4, 3, 2, go. One time. Yes. Without arm, you can learn the step. And after, we put inside the movement with arm. Okay? March. Yes. Now put inside this moment. Pam, pam. Yes. Again. 1, 2. Yes. 1, 2. Okay. Put inside full step at this moment. Okay? And 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. Super. Amazing.
Nice and easy.
A lot of vibration inside. Do last with Samantha. A dream for me. Last time, then march. Super. Okay. Now we learn the second step. Top side. Okay? Easy. Put your leg side before right and then left. Let's go. Hey, 1, 2. 1 and 2. Good. Easy. And 4 and 3 and 2 and march. Okay. 1 more step and 2 top side. Yes. 4, 3, 2. Hey, 1, 2 top side. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other 2 times. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And march. Okay, super. Amazing. Mambo, mambo. Wait. Right. Let's go. Mambo, march. 4, 3, 2, go. Mambo, mambo. Again. Mambo, mambo. Last time. Mambo, mambo. Good. Boost up. 2 top side. 2 mambo. Yes.
Ready? I'm ready. Let's bring it together.
And 3 together. Yes. And 4, 3. Boost up. 1, 2 top side. Mambo. And march. Again. A boost step. Top side. Mambo, mambo. Other time. Go. Yes, yes. Very good, Samantha. Go. Top side.
You said very good and then I lost the moves.
And march. Okay. Now, after the second mambo, I want turn. Okay, so I want mambo, mambo, turn. Okay, mambo, mambo, turn. Let's go. Mambo, mambo, march. Super. 4, 3, 2. Again. Mambo, mambo, march. Stop. 2 step. Let's go. Hey, 1, 2. Hey, top side, mambo. And turn. March. Yes, super. The last time. Amazing. 4, 3, 2. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And turn. Okay. 1 time again. 4, 3, 2, go. Mambo, turn, march. Okay. Now, second sequence. Okay, easy. Only step touch, please step touch. Okay. The first step, easy. Top back, top back. Ready? Amazing.
I'm ready.
And 4, 3, top back. Yes. Good. If you want to start, 1, 2, shot. 4, 3, 2, step touch. Okay, super. Now it's a little bit different. Mambo back, okay? The same side. And 4, 3, mambo back again. Yes, good. Yes. Special movement. March. Okay, super.
Perfect.
2 top back, 2 mambo back. Okay? Easy. Don't stress. And 4, 3, top back. Mambo back. March. Super.
Perfect.
4, 3, top back. 1, 2, 1, 2. Mambo back. The last time. 4, 3. Let's go. 1, 2. Mambo back, march. Okay, now 4 count, jet square. Okay, you count. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Super.
Adding some style. I love it.
The last time. 1, 2. Okay. Step touch. Super. Now. Top back. Mambo back. Jet square. 4, 3, and 4, 3. Come on, baby. Back. Mambo. Jet square, march. Last time, 1, 2. Mambo back, jet square. And now, easy, mambo. Yes.
I love it.
So much.
Nice and easy beginner dance. Great for cardio. Great for your coordination from the top.
Mambo back. Across a mambo. March. Super. The last time.
Perfect.
4, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 2. Jet square. Mambo. And now?
From the very top?
Top.
Top. Yes. Let's
Blue
go.
step. Let's go. Boop. Top side. Mambo. Top side. Mambo back. Across. A mambo front.
I almost had it. We have to do it again. One more time. I want to get it right. You need to get it right at home too.
4, 3, 2, with us.
You can do this. Here we go. Mambo.
Top.
Turn.
Top back. Yes.
Back.
Mambo.
Mambo. Cross it over.
Yes.
Great.
One more?
Let's go one more time. Come on, one more time. Let's everybody get it perfect.
4, 3, 2. Ready, go. Mambo, top, back. 1, 2, 1, 2. Mambo back.
Mambo back, cross it over. And
Yes.
finished.
Thank you, Samantha.
Dance is great for your cardio, it's great for your brain, and it's great to have fun with your friends.